Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear student, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all will be fine. I'm your science teacher, Ms. Farhanda from Bahir College, Shanif, SRE. Today my topic is about skin. Skin is outing covering of your body. It covers your whole body. Skin is outing covering of our body. Skin is a human body's largest organ. There are many organs in our body like heart, brain, lungs, liver. We have also a sense organ like eyes, ear, nose, skin, tongue. But the skin is the largest organ of our body. It is outer covering of our body. It covers and protects our whole body. No other parts of body takes up so much space. Skin take so much space in our body. Students, repeat with me. Skin is the largest organ of our body. It is outer covering of our body. Okay, now we learn about the function of skin. Skin does so many different jobs inside our body. Skin cover and protect all your internal part of body like brain, heart, muscles and bone. Skin cover your whole body. It is stretchy and waterproof. Skin protect the other part of body from diseases. It protects you from germs, from water, sunshine, and helps keeps your body at the right. Skin does not allow germs to enter in the body. Skin protect you from diseases. Skin makes sure your body is kept at the right temperature. Skin control body temperature by sweating. Students, we know when we exercise, sweat comes out from skin. Sweating is a one way through which skin maintains its normal body temperature. Okay, the next function is skin provides you with a sense of touch. Skins tell you if something is hot, cold, smooth, or rough. Students, now touch your book page. Tell me how its surface. Good, it has smooth surface. So skin provides you sense of touch. Skin cells are always growing. Students, when cells become damaged in any way or die, our body produces new cells to replace them. So skin cells are always growing. Skin loses about 30,000 to 40,000 dead skin cells from its surface, and most household dust is dead skin. Our house dust is a mixture of dead skin cell, hair, bacteria, soil particles, and many more things. So, students, clean your bed before you go to sleep. It's a sunnah. Because when you sleep on the bed, there is also a dead skin cell. Students, it's activity time. Look at yourself in a mirror and work out which parts of the body are not covered by skin. Hurry up. Yes, which part of body are not covered by skin? Good. Eyes, teeth, nails, hair. These parts of body are not covered by skin. Repeat with me. Eyes, teeth, nails, and hair. Good. Okay, now students, it's time for home assignments. You have write down any 5 function of skins and also draw a diagram of your hand to show a skin. I hope you will understand it. Thank you.